that I want us to remember so that it would help us as we deal with government agencies as Christians. So, first, the purpose of government. You could see in the Bible that when God sent the great flood to reset humanity because sin has abounded. Di ba po? In Genesis chapter 9, sabi ho ng Panginoon kay Noah, be fruitful, multiply, and replenish the earth. Inulit ho niya yung command niya kay Adam. Because at that time, wala na pong ibang tao. The only persons in the world left is Noah and his family. So God reiterated the calling of man. Sabi niya, first, I want you to be fruitful, multiply, and I want you to take dominion and subdue everything. Manage it well. But there was an additional order for Noah. And what's that? Sinabi po dito, God said, whoever sheds man's blood, by his blood shall be shed. For in the image of God he made man, and I will establish my covenant with you in your descendants. Basically, God told Noah, because before I sent the great flood, violence is all over the world. Sin has already taken over. But this time, you need external restraints.